Hi and welcome to this new video. Got these doors off the internet, great buy, but unfortunately they bind. So we're going to try and fix it ourselves DIY. You're going to need one of these. The first thing you're going to have to do is remove these plastic beads. Be really careful because you will dent the plastic, and you just gently tap it in and then ease the bead out. Another little tip is just write left or right, top and bottom on these. You'll never get them back right otherwise. Okay, so the person who fitted these originally, which is standard practice, put 2 spacers in the bottom corner and 2 spacers in the top corner. You've leveled the frame by adding spacers in to push the frame how you want it. If my hunch is okay, if you put some spacers in the bottom, pushing the glass this way, hopefully this will push the frame up. That's the plan. You're going to need a pack of these. These are window spacers, and then we're going to try and get another one in this bottom corner. So if I put a spacer in the top here as well, which has helped a bit, I'm just going to get another one in. That'll eventually hopefully lift it up just enough. Right, so you put some spacers in the top and the bottom, and the door now opens, which is good, but as all things, it's showing up now that this side's probably a little bit too high. So you're going to do the same thing and lower this side down. Obviously, we've got the laser level across. Before we did start, we put the laser level in the other side and check the hinges. So both hinges are level, so the frame's square. That's why we're doing this. Right, so we're going to put the beads back in now. You need a nice rubber mallet and just ease them back in. Push from one side, tapping up initially, and you can see them just go back into place. So we put the beads back on. We put the 2 spacers, top and bottom. A bit hard work to get in, but a test. It worked. One last test. Actually, the key was difficult to turn. That's definitely a lot easier. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you want to see some more, just hit that subscribe button. It really helps us. Thank you for watching.